What's going on, everybody? I got my dogs out. Got old 5 Mile here. You can't see her where it's dark. But got the other ones out too, old Wookie and Bear. But I wanted to let y'all know what's going on here in southeast Kentucky. This took place in Bell County. It was actually the murder of a baby Elena. Her mother, Erica Lawson, appeared in Bell County Court on Monday. Lawson was present at the hearing, but her defensive attorneys had her muted as the counsel presented motion for death penalty relief, and among other things. I'll tell y'all what happened. During an afternoon hearing in the Bell County Circuit Court on Monday, the attorney for Erica Lawson, the woman charged with the murder of her own child, baby Elena, spoke on her behalf as she watched via Zoom from the Bourbon County Jail on mute. At issue was a motion that her attorney and public advocate filed, stating that the merits of the case required that Judge Keith Nagel to make a consideration to dismiss or strike the death penalty. This would be the first hearing on this case since Mr. Nagel was elected as circuit judge. While this first motion was addressed later in the proceeding, her attorney stated that there was a motion filed to compel the Commonwealth to allow the lab testing of DNA evidence to be preserved for the defense to have independent testing conducted. There was an additional motion made to conduct an independent review of the evidence against Lawson without the state prosecutor, she's the Commonwealth prosecutor of Bell County, Miss Lisa Fugit, her staff, or the Middlesboro investigators looking over their shoulders. Hang on, Wookie. Hang on, Daddy Gitchens. Commonwealth attorney Lisa Fugit stated that this move would raise a serious red flag regarding chain of custody, but the legal protocol for a defendant to see the evidence against them for good cause is not a problem. What Fugit said was a problem is that doing so without some type of guidance to protect the integrity of the evidence. Where'd you go? Look. Y'all go get on the porch. Judge Nagel shortly afterward agreed that the defense had the right to examine the evidence without the Commonwealth or its agents present. Lord have mercy. I can't talk tonight. Judge Nagel shortly afterward agreed that the defense had the right to examine the evidence without the Commonwealth or its agents present, but denied the section of the motion that is done without supervision. He stated that there must be an evidence custodian present. Also at issue, the defense counsel was what they felt was a lack of response by the Commonwealth required to provide the defendant with a bill of particulars concerning the alleged offense. This typically includes the date of the offense, the place, and the time, the date, circumstances above consulting the offense, and the time of the offense. Ms. Fugit stated that her office did file a response at the end of 2023, and the hearing was held under the old judge, Thomas Jones. However, Judge Nagel said that the Commonwealth had until February 17th for filing the memorandum on the bill of particulars. In turn, the defense has until March 8th to file a response. As far as the dismiss or strike of the death penalty motion, it was continued, as Ms. Fugit required more time than just a few days since the defense filed this on January the 25th. Court was on the 29th. Come on, Wookie, I'll let you on in. Look. I gotta get Bear down here. Go on, 5 miles. Go on, Wookie. Let's go, Bear. Sorry about that, you all. Okay, the defense filed this on January 25th. Judge Nagel granted both sides 20 days to each to respond to the motion itself and stated that there is nothing for the court to decide right now as far as discovery. As the hearing was ending, attorney for the defendant stated that there would be further filings about capital eligibility for the death penalty under a new state statute regarding Erica Lawson. Oh, not state statute, I'm sorry. Under a new statute regarding Erica Lawson. The next pretrial for Miss Lawson in the motions is going to be Wednesday, March 20th, 2024 at 9 a.m. I will do my best to keep you updated on this case. This case has got a lot of, I guess what you say, rumors going on. I'm not going to get into all that rumors. I just kind of want to inform y'all and let y'all know what's going on in that murder case of that little baby. Now the water. A lot of people up here still don't have water. It's 10 days without it. For the people up in Holmes's Mill, 10 days without water. That's unbelievable. Everybody's scared of overreaching their election boundaries, I guess, whatever you say, whatever you want to call that. We got a judge executive who doesn't want to overstep onto the city of Everett's. And the city of Everett's, they don't have, I don't think, any money to really do anything with. I don't know. So, we'll just have to wait and see what unfolds. There have been some talk of washing machines and a bathhouse going up at the Clover Fork Fire Department for residents because 10 days without water is unacceptable. Anybody out there in Harlan County that's watching this, I heard about the water outages in Wallens, Smith. If you want to put in the comments where you're at in Harlan County, you don't have to really put your address, but let me know where you're at in the county so we can figure out what is going on. This local government here in Harlan is not transparent when it comes to what's going on with water or pretty much anything else. Potholes. Highway 38 is ate up with potholes. Once again, due to the hard freeze, the road expanding, and then the cars and the heavy trucks riding over it, it made the potholes come back. I don't know when they'll be able to fix it or bubble gum it or spray that little stuff they spray on the roads, but hopefully they'll get it fixed soon. They are giant potholes. The cutoff to 72 is horrible on 421. It's full of potholes. Well, anyway, guys, please like, comment, share. Let me know if you're in the county where, if you had water outages, where you're at. If anything else comes over the murder case, I will let you all know. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one.